Well, Donna and Kevin, health officials here at the Department of Health say that we're likely to see more cases, and now they want Arkansans not to panic, but to be concerned and aware of COVID-19.
All Arkansans need to think through their travel plans and be flexible.
Dr. Nate Smith with the Department of Health giving advice on travel plans and ways to stay safe, like washing your hands, now that the Natural State saw its first COVID-19 case.
We're calling it presumptive positive until we have confirmation from the CDC lab.
Dr. Smith says this was expected since the state is surrounded by others with cases.
We've been prepared for this, actually actively looking for potential cases.
During Wednesday's press conference, health officials say they think the person who tested positive came in contact with the virus during out-of-state travel. No word yet on who the person is, but they were tested after showing symptoms of COVID-19. Dr. Smith says there's no evidence of it spreading in Pine Bluff or throughout the state, but they do have one more thing to check.
We're doing the appropriate contact tracing to identify any possible secondary cases.
The state is working to find out if anyone else has been in contact with the person. They say it's likely more people will have to be quarantined.
So healthcare personnel that would have cared for this patient, it would be different for the risk if that patient at that time did not have a mask or if they did have a mask.
Meanwhile, State Rep Vivian Flowers from Pine Bluff, where the case is based, says she wants to know more so the city can take the right precautions.
Everything is still very fluid, but I'm still waiting. You know, you still want a lot more information so that I can know what to tell my constituents, so I can know what to tell my family, and so that I know what to do.
And there are still a lot of unanswered questions tonight about this case and what's next. We will continue to update you as we learn more, but for now, you can log onto our website for tips and the latest coverage on COVID-19. Reporting live, Alexis Wainwright, Fox 16 News.